To find information about services offered by the Siyaphumelela network, you can navigate to our homepage on our Siyaphumelela website at siyaphumelela.org.za and then click on Services. You will then be presented with two tabs, namely Workshops and Work Streams. Scrolling down the Workshop tab, you will see a list of all the workshops that have been conducted, and in cases where this has been already conducted, there will be a link to the YouTube channel where you can see a recording of the session and documents relating to that particular workshop. You can also head onto our Workstream tab where you will find the three work streams that we currently engage with, namely first year experience, mental health and student tracking. Thank you.